After you take away this machine cover, it will be like this.
它必须得找这样一个扳手。
是，或者用剪子线，只要它能拧下来就可以。
We can firstly find the side of the temperature sensor, which fixed here like this, and we're trying to take away it with a wrench. Along the wire rod of the temperature sensor, we can find there are many ties on the rod, so we need a plier to take away them. In this way, you will gradually find the other side of the temperature sensor, which connected with the board.